Today here in this video, we click this sheet 2. We'll know how to write a VBA code to remove duplicates from the selected range in the Excel sheet. We'll double click the sheet 2. We have double click the sheet 2. Now we will write a sub name remove duplicates, and we will create a first we will write here bin rg as range and set this rg equal to selection. We write a loop for each. First we will give the selected range height and width. Height we will give this ht height, or ht height we will give this rg dot rows dot count. For width we will give rg dot columns dot count. We'll write a loop here for each. We'll write a loop here for I equal to rg dot row, rg dot rows. Write a loop here rg from height to step minus 1. Inner loop we will write for j equal to height minus 1 to 1 step minus 1. We'll give this in bracket, and here we will write, first we will create a helper function helper. Input will be rg as range, give output return as string. Will give bin str as string, but str will initialize str as empty string variable. And now we will run a loop for each r in rg. Declare dim r as range. We'll do str equal to str and cstr r dot value. Right here dot cells. We will next r. I will return it as helper is equal to helper is equal to str. Helper function is ready. We will write here cmp1 comparison 1 string will be helper rg dot rows. We will write it here as I. Here we will write cmp2 is equal to helper rg dot rows j. And we will write if statement if cmp1 is equal to cmp2, then or what you will do, will give duplicate count is equal to duplicate count plus 1, and we will rg dot rows j dot delete will excel shift will and shift will and excel, and this if statement and this inner loop and this outer loop will declare variables. Write it here, height, write this here, width, then height is down. This is not needed, width is not needed, you can delete it. Height as long, img we have defined. Now we'll declare dim cmp1 as string, dim cmp2 as string, we method dim do duplicate count is equal to as long, we initialize duplicate count variable, sorry, to 0, will initialize duplicate count variable to 0. Any more variables? All variables are defined now. I think now this is defined. Now let's try to run this code. We will make this indented. We will do the indentation. Here we can do indentation is proper. We will do indentation here as well. Now we will run this code. Excel code sheet 2. We will run this. Now let's suppose we make duplicate of this. Duplicate of this. We this is ready. Now we will run this. I have made some corrections in this code, like some syntax spelling mistakes were there. Now the spelling mistakes are fine. And one mistake in this code is that here it will not be this. It will not be this height minus 1. It will be I minus 1. Now we will run this code and see what will be like. Here we can see in our sheet this. Here I have pasted something. These all are the same. Now we can delete any selected range. Suppose we select this range. Now if I will delete these rows, duplicate rows, then it will not affect this. It will only delete within the selected range. So I will run this code. Let's make it fit it in that window. Now let's run our code. Here all duplicates have been removed and we are left with the unique values. Now what we can do next thing here is that we can use the duplicate count variable. Duplicate count variable we have used. We can print a message here. Message box. Message box. Here we can write group duplicate count. Count duplicates. Duplicate rows have been removed. I can save it. Let's okay, so we can see here there are total 16 rows and four unique values will be there. Four rows will be the unique. So 16 minus 4, 12 duplicates will be removed. So output should be 12 duplicate rows have been removed. Now let's check it. 13 duplicate rows have been removed. Okay. In between there was, because here it is like this repeated, so 13 is correct. 13 duplicate rows have been removed, and we can print another message here like this. I can write it here as duplicate minus 1 rows have been removed. Sorry. And we can write here as total rg dot row dot count minus duplicate count minus 1 unique rows remain. Now let's run this here on this. Now let's run this. 12 duplicate rows have been removed and total is, oops, something is wrong. Total total algebra rows dot count So this selection will remain small. The selection will. So what we can do here, we can write it here as height, the initial variable that we gave. Height. Now it will work fine. Let's copy this, paste here, paste here. There are 16 rows. Now let's see how many remains unique. Now let's run this. Now it is correct. Total 4 unique rows have remained. Total duplicate rows have been removed. We can give a spacing here. Total. After total, we can give a spacing here. Now run. This will be height. This will be height minus. We will select this. Now it will be. Okay. Let's see by using the feature. Let's see by using the inbuilt feature. We will select it Alt A M. This format mode for unique values remain. Note that counts not include empty cells, spaces, etc. When we run this on our code, it gives total 3 unique. Okay, we will see this in the next video. Till now we have created a functionality which removes the duplicates. So we can see this in the next part. Thank you for your time.